unlocking a world of knowledge in an instant. Ready for today's quick insight?
A commonly misunderstood ingredient in cough medicine is guaifenesin. While it's intended to thin mucus and alleviate chest congestion, its effectiveness has been debated. Research suggests its impact on cough symptoms is minimal, especially in comparison to other treatments. Opt for remedies with proven efficacy, such as honey for soothing or dextromethorphan for cough suppression, to ensure better relief.
Our quest for knowledge never ends. Thanks for being part of today's discovery. Subscribe, like, and share to join us on the next one.